Do you know, here is a video about topmost mysteries of Hindu's temple in India. India is an ancient country with its rich history of Vedic civilization. Maundeshwari Devi temple in Bihar. This is the temple of Lord Shiva and its construct of Shakti. This temple is considered to be the oldest functional temple in the world. The temple has been built in the shape of an octagon, which is rare style of construction. Subramaniam Temple in Tamil Nadu. The temple was unearthed in 2005 after the 2004 tsunami that hit the coast of Tamil Nadu. It is one of the most oldest temple in our country. Tunganath Temple, Uttarakhand. It stands at 3680 meters and it is the highest Shiva temple in the world. Indian mythology heroes Pandava who built the temple to the venerate Lord Shiva. The temple is extremely small in size and barely accommodates the 10 temple. It is made of black rock and the construction style is similar to the temple in Kedarnath. Konark Sun Temple in Odisha. The Konark Sun Temple was built in the 10th century by the kings of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. The temple was in the shape of chariot with 12 pillars of wheels and 7 horses and made with Condolic rocks. It was a specimen of Kalinga architecture. Dilwara Temple in Rajasthan. This Jain temple built by the various men between the 11th and 13th century or handiwork and indicate the craftsmanship built of marble. These 5 temples are unique in the architecture and cultural relevance. Hampi in Karnataka. The group of monuments are at Hampi are also recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Wintel Temple, the stone chariot, is the most iconic symbol of Hampi. This was built in the 7th century by the Chalukya rulers. Brindeshwara Temple in Tamil Nadu, built by the King Raja Chola in ancient century. The Brindeshwara Temple combining the best in the tradition of temple buildings, sculptures, painting and other arts. It was the oldest temple in our country. Sri Venkateshwara Temple in Tirupati. Sri Venkateshwara is the most revered and celebration temple of the temple town of Tirupati, having tourists and pilgrims flooding in our all years ago. This is one of the holiest and wealthiest temple in the world. It is also one of the richest temple in our country. Meenakshi Temple in Tamil Nadu. The historic Meenakshi Temple is located on the southern bank of the Vagnai River, Madurai in Tamil Nadu. Meenakshi Temple is primarily dedicated to the Parvati, known as the Meenakshi, and her spouse of Shiva. Chamundeshwari Temple in Mysore. The Chamundeshwari Temple is a traditional Hindu temple located on the eastern edge of Mysore at the height of 1000 feet of the Chamundeshwari Hills. The Chamundeshwari Temple is considered to be the Shaktapita. It has 18 Mahashakti Pitas. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more interesting and mysterious facts about India.